Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you don't know, this will fully remove it. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and we're gonna select power off. Now that can be done with a lock screen being visible or from a home screen, it doesn't really matter. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. You'll feel a vibration, at which point you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now when this disappears, you can then let go of the volume up as well. There we go. And here we're gonna simply tap on Wipe Data Factory Reset. You want to type in yes, which you can see right here, as an affirmation that you do want to proceed. Wipe Data Factory Reset. This will now begin factory resetting your device, which will take a couple seconds at least right here. So let's give it a moment. Okay, once it's finished, we're gonna select Reboot System Now, and this will continue resetting the device in the background. It will take it a little bit longer to boot back up, which is completely normal. So once this goes through, we should be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.